Okay, up next, Thermador fridge and freezer columns. Super easy to put the appliance panels on. Probably gonna end up regretting that. This is sort of what we're going for. The doors are gonna be recessed back. I swear by these sort of eighth inch blocks. And so I'm gonna put this block up here. I'm gonna measure down to my bracket. I'm gonna put it over here. And I'll measure from here to the side of my bracket. And then I'm gonna put those lines on the panel. You've got this sort of mounting bracket. Typically there's a plastic piece that shows you, or that you run along the side here to give you the center line of that. Again, measured off my 1/8 inch block to the center of that. I have to be super specific on this because there's plenty of up and down adjustment and left and right adjustment. So as long as it's sort of close to where it needs to go, then you take this bracket, put it. It's just a matter of removing. See this bracket here? You remove it on the outside non-hinge side, and it's a matter of taking the door and resting those holes over these pins. And then this other outside non-hinge bracket you slide in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it will then catch the bracket that's mounted to the door, and then you screw it in, and then you have inside and outside adjustment. Here's the initial look, okay? You see my gapping is a little wide at the bottom, so you really just need to slide it over with your hand. But I also need to adjust this screw up here behind the door. There's a set screw in here. So you loosen these nuts up, which you take off anyway just to be able to put the door back on. So you put these back on, but you leave them loose. And there's a set screw in here that will raise the door up and down, which will affect my gapping at the top. So I'm a little big. Once you set your door, you get your gapping correct. You tighten those two nuts at the top. That'll keep that panel from moving laterally up there. And then there's this mounting bracket right here that goes on the bottom. So you loosen the screw on the bottom of the door, put this bracket back on, and then you lock the bracket into the door, and that will keep it from sliding laterally. And then it's got this cute little plastic thing. Clips right on. It's all told maybe 22 minutes. And then once you get everything sort of secure, this is why I love Thermador so much. Sub-Zero, try to get that plastic. This plastic piece just is a nice little rubber friction fit that goes on and covers everything up. And then the last step is to slide this plastic rubber piece on here, locks in, covers up all the screws. Looks pretty sharp. On to the next one.